How to make a video by adding photos. You can make a video by adding photos by creating a slideshow, and it can be done with various video editing apps. In this case, I'm using CapCut, but you can basically actually use any audio editing or video editing software that you prefer. So here, if I open up CapCut, first of all, what I can do is CapCut has a feature called template where I can choose between one of those templates and I can create a video using these pictures. So if I like this template, I can tap on use template and I can go to photos and I can add a couple of photos to this right here. Once I've added some photos, I can tap the next option, and just like that, you can see it will create a video for me by simply adding some of the photos. Now you can choose any template that you prefer, right? It's just your own very own process. So this is one of the simplest ways to do this. You can also do it manually using a new project, but you can actually just use a preset template. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.